Hello everyone, this is Luke Frankie with the Naples Daily News. Here it's about 11:45, just after 11:45 Thursday, down here at the Naples Pier. It is set to reopen right around noon. We got a few folks waiting to go fishing. They got it blocked off about halfway down there where the food stand is. I've been told that there's some structural damage on the other side. But this first part is good to go, and will soon be open to the public. It's about almost a week and a half after Hurricane Irma struck, made landfall. We're going to take a walk up and see what it looks like. You see they got police tape up and other such things. I'm gonna start walking down the pier, and you can see I don't know if you can see that or not, but they've blocked it off about halfway down. Got some folks waiting to fish up here. Again, this is Luke Frankie with the Naples Daily News. It's roughly 11:50 here Thursday at the Naples Pier. Walking out right now to assess the damage. Looks like the county has closed it off about halfway where this food stand normally is, and then blocked the rest off to the public. But this initial section right here is open. It was blocked off earlier with police tape, caution tape, but it is currently open. It is open to the public now, this first section. And here we finally are making our way towards the food stand. And it's obviously closed, but as you can see, there's a wall that they've built to keep people out. You see there's caution tape. And I was told they still are doing further assessment. As you can tell from the very end, it looks like the back rail has been blown off. But they still need to do further assessment to see what else is wrong and make sure the structure is safe for the public to use. This is the pier's first real test since it was rebuilt last year. And so it looks like it held up pretty well, other than this last part. But again, this first section is open to the public.